too late. You're done playing with it right now. That's enough, Sarah. Well, I wanted you to be nice, and you're not. And you haven't been, so it's... No, it's too late. It's too late. Too late. Too bad. You're just going to make me even more angry. So go. Go. No, I don't want to hear you crying over it. I told you you needed to be nice. And I told you you needed to obey and you needed to share, didn't I? Do you want me to go pop it?
What?
You want me to go pop your balloon? Then stop. No, you can have it in a little bit, maybe. Now go. Stop. Not right now. You better go. I'm going to count to 3.